Hello guys, and welcome to another video where we are talking about Photoshop for beginners in CS6. Today I'm going to show you the color range tool. So I have an image here. This is also shot by me and I have it as a layer down here. So the thing I want to show you is in select, and then you go to color range. With this tool you can select only some parts of an image, and you want to use this to make sure that your photos are looking real and not like plastic or like too much edited, right? So here I have selected sampled colors. There are also these options here, but I don't think that you were really going to use them. I have my fuzziness in 40, and this means how rough or not I want my edges to be. I don't think that you will also use this a lot, or at least if you are a beginner you are not going to use this tool a lot. And then you have your selection or image. I prefer to have it on selection rather than on image, so it's more clear to me what I select, and I'm going to this in a bit. And in the selection preview I have none, but there are also some other types like grayscale, black matte, white matte or quick mask. So I'm continuing with none. Alright, now I want you to go in the image and hit shift, and with the shift key select a color. For me it will be green, but I have more green in this image. Like this is a different green, this is a different green, this is a different green, and you can see in this panel here that more things are lighting up because more things have the same green. Okay, now I think I have covered pretty much everything I wanted, so I'm just going to click on OK. And you see that every green part, or almost every green part, is selected, and I didn't use the lasso tool or the marquee tool or anything like this. So now you can go in this middle button here, and from there click on Hue and Saturation. And let's play with this tab a little bit. You have the lightness in your third row, and this is how much light you want the image to have or not. Here I'm going to a very dark theme, and then I'm going to a very light theme like this. I'm just going to have it like in -15. I think this is quite okay. And then you have your saturation, which has to do with the red. This image doesn't have a lot of red, so most probably you will not see much difference in playing with it. But if your image has a lot of red, then you will see some differences. Let's keep this in, let's say 20. I think it's okay. Nice. Now let's play with the hue. Again, you will most probably not see a lot of differences. There is some difference, like if I'm going to like -160 or 70, but I don't think I would like something like this right now. But okay, since we play with it, maybe I can keep something like this. Alright, so I have some purple and yellow flowers. Okay, I'm just going to click on this button and then go back to my layer. Select color range, and this time I will try to pick the yellow flowers. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do that because this image has some small parts of yellow. But yeah, I think it's going okay. I'm going to click once again on OK, and then go back to Hue and Saturation and play again with the lightness. maybe I will just zoom out a little bit, okay, and play again with the lightness. And now my flowers from yellow went to this quite green color. So let's go back to make it, okay, this is very lightish. Let's go back to make them yellow. So I'm going to leave this in 0. Then let's hit the saturation. And here you can see some differences. Again, I don't want this to be very dark. So let's keep it like this. It's in 20. And then go to hue. This will make them green, whereas this will make them orange. Or even pink. And maybe this dark purple. So what about keeping them in maybe blue? But this doesn't look very realistic, so I guess I'll keep something like this. Okay, so I'm just going to close it. And our image when we started was something like this. But then we added this filter and this filter. Alright, and things got much prettier, or maybe not prettier, but they changed a lot and they changed quickly, and I don't think it was even very difficult. Okay, thank you very much for watching another video on Photoshop CS6 for beginners. If you like this kind of videos, please leave a comment, subscribe, and once again, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.